Hey guys, so tripod la veche pesna it'll be like too professional, so I'm just gonna hold my camera like in one weird ass position like this and I'm gonna talk to you. I am legit just coming back home and it's like okay, it's like 5:37 okay right now, and nalike I'm going on this trip to Varkala for about four days and 3 nights. Yeah, so this is with my school friends again, and I'm like super excited because we have been planning for this trip like ever since Jan, and like everyone got the perfect time to go. We booked the tickets and everything like in May, and apave I decided okay, I need to do a video on like prepping for the whole trip because I have never done something like that because I just feel like I'm always like I just want to enjoy the part of planning and executing and packing for the trip rather than concentrating on filming, but in the way I just wanted to be like a little bit different because you guys have been enjoying the travel content that I'm posting on this channel like quite so much. So adnala vandu enna decide pannirukena two parts in the video porno. One is all the prepping work that I'm going to be doing for the trip, which is basically just one day, and the travel part, and then I'm going to be including the actual things that I do in Varkala. Definitely there's going to be tons and tons of posts. Inikku basically enna pannanum appadina, since tomorrow nalikku some 8:10 okay night the train is, so we're going by train. Adnala vandu I have like so many things to pack. Like I've literally made a list over here, okay? So nethu I wanted to like pick out clothes and keep and all that, but I actually didn't do that. Look at how I've done it. Just hold on. This is basically what I've done to my suitcase. Like just have a look. Actually I want some clothes and I don't want some clothes, but ibdi na panni or mess panniten. So today I need to finalize the clothes, I need to pack the accessories because tomorrow I can't. I'll only come back home like again around the same time, and I just have to take the bag and leave the house because in the traffic la poi serave like 1 hour aidum. So adnala vandu tap and kelamnu. We're going. First thing that I need to do right now is go take a hair bath. So hair bath mudichittu I need to pack the clothes, I need to pick my accessories, pack my makeup bag and other stuff that I need for the trip. So packing is going to take like a lot of time, but I do have a checklist. I have already picked out the clothes and I have the accessories in mind, so I'm thinking this won't take time, but we'll see how it goes. Update: clothes, accessories, makeup, skincare, all that has been packed. What is left is to take medicines, like my iPad and அந்த மாதிரி குட்டி things மட்டும் இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் மீதி இருக்கு. I honestly have no more energy for this, and I want to go like sleep early because tomorrow definitely I won't be able to sleep in the train with my friends. So இன்னைக்கே தூங்கிடணும் ஒழுங்கா. So அதனால I might like go to sleep. I need to paint my nails, but I think I'll just finish that and then I will go sleep.